In front of me is ZTE Blade A51, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Sound section right away. Then tap on Vibrate Vocals and click on one of those options to apply the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate or always vibrate. When you finished, go back. Now scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Switch to Vibrate to enable or disable power button and volume up assigned to switch to vibrate mode. Then select Advanced. Scroll all the way down again, but this time tap on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration and Touch Vibration to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!